Okay. It smells so good. Mmm. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. So today we're going to be making Yao Han, which is a Cambodian hot pot dish. And as you can see, we have all these ingredients, and we're going to start with our broth. And I have a pot right here, and I have some fermented bean curd. We're going to use the whole entire jar with the liquids and everything. Dump it all in there. And I just want to say that there's a lot of different ways that people like to make this dish. I'm using this fermented bean curd. They also have a different type of fermented bean curd sauce that most people like to use. My mom uses that one. So I don't even make it the same way that my mom makes it. And a lot of people prefer different things, so it's up to you. And you can just use my recipe as a guide. And you can take out what you don't like and you can add whatever. Doesn't matter. So I'm just smashing the bean curd right now in the pot. And they're super soft, so it's easy. You just want to make sure they're all smashed. All right, so roughly smashed. You can see smashed. And then we're gonna add the rest of our other ingredients. All right, then we have some hot and spicy barbecue sauce. I think this is the, what is it, Bullhead brand. We're gonna add half a jar of this. In it goes. And you can save some of this if you like to dip it on the side as well. So in half a jar goes. And then I have some, this is another type of barbecue sauce, but we always use it because it actually has the hot pot pitcher. And yeah, so half a jar of this too. I can get it open. That looks just about enough. And then we're gonna add some spicy pot sauce. This is for the spice part. And you don't have to add this one. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of this. So 2 tablespoons. It's nice and spicy. And then we're gonna add our chicken broth. Do the whole thing. Awesome. In the trash it goes. And then some coconut soda. So some people use beer or whatnot. I'm using coconut soda. My mom likes to use the coconut juice in the can with the pulp. I like the soda better. And then I'm gonna also add like real coconut juice or coconut water from the actual coconut. This one already smells amazing. And I can't wait to eat it. So I'm just gonna move this aside so I can cut open the coconut. I'm gonna move this knife. So I have the coconut, my trusty cleaver, and we're just gonna open it. I think one more, but it's gonna smash. All right, now that we have it open, we're just gonna dump that in, but we're gonna make sure none of this excess stuff falls into the broth. whole thing in there. Save this for later to eat. And then we're gonna take it to the stove, bring it to a boil, and then we're ready to eat. All right, so I brought the broth to a boil in a separate pot, and then once you're ready to serve, like I am right here, you can put it into your portable pot, or like if you have, there's different ones. I have an electric one here, and there's one where you can have like a portable little mini stove with the propane or butane can, and you can just have a little pot there. But I have the electric one. It's heating up right now. We're gonna get ready to eat. So I'm gonna grab some noodles. And I'm gonna stick that into my bowl. And now that this is like boiling, I think I want some beef. So we're gonna stick some beef in there. Let that cook. I want some shrimp. And I love these fish balls. So these are the fish balls with the fish roe inside. They're so bomb. I'm probably gonna put a few of those in there because I love those. And then quail eggs, one of my other favorites. And then there's mushrooms. And then I have like an assortment for a hot pot. I have tripe and beef. You can really put anything that you like into your hot pot. It's up to you. I'm already salivating. And my beef looks about done, so I'm gonna drop that into my bowl. I'm gonna let everything else kind of cook a little bit longer. And then I'm gonna go over to my veggies. For your veggies, the same, whatever you like. Usually we use ong choy or morning glory, but when I went to the market, it was brown. I didn't like it, so I didn't want to buy it. But I have some baby bok choy, some watercress, and I'm not sure what these are called, but they looked fresh, so I just picked some of those. You can eat it with, what's that called? Chrysanthemum leaves also. Sometimes I like to put cilantro in there. Really whatever you want. And I don't like my veggies too cooked, so I just like to dip it in, take it out real fast. And I'm just gonna throw it into my bowl. And I'm gonna fish out my other items when I think they're ready. I want this to cook thoroughly and warm. While that cooks, I'm gonna grab some broth into my bowl. Smells so good. And I forgot to tell you guys that I forgot to put the pineapple into my broth earlier. And I know it sounds weird, but it is really good. So if you want to try with pineapple chunks, try it. It's delicious. So it's like getting really hot, really heated. I'm gonna grab my shrimp. Yum. And I'm gonna grab my quail egg, if I can get it out. You know what I forgot to get actually is one of those little straining things where you can scoop everything out and just put it into your bowl. They sell like miniature ones where each person, when you have like your hot pot party, like each person can just like grab whatever they want or just put whatever they want in their little thing and stick it into the broth. All right, I can't wait to try this. Let's turn this down a bit. It's going a little crazy. Okay. It smells so good. Mmm. Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's like so flavorful. I think I can die happy. Can eat it all the time. Let's try some beef. So I don't like my veggies very cooked, so this looks perfect. Mmm. So good. Thank you guys for watching today. Please like, comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe, hit that bell, and share on your social media. So thanks again. See you next time. I'm gonna continue eating. I can't even talk. Is that gonna be a problem? Probably. We can just cut it. Huh?